Good day, everyone. Good day, sir. So, this is my video report about planning, organizing, leading, controlling, coordination, decision making, communication and management, and motivation and employee development. So, this is my understanding about planning. Planning is management conditional step. It involves setting clear objectives and determining the specific actions, resources, and priorities needed to achieve them. By anticipating challenges and establish performance standards, planning minimize risk and ensure the organization is prepared to measure and sustain future. Organizing transforms plans into action by structuring, resourcement, and defining rules. It establishes a clear hierarchy and reporting lines, ensuring every task has a responsible owner. This reduces duplications, streamlines communication, and accelerates decision making, ultimately driving efficiency and, and high quality result across the entire organization. Leading, focusing, and motivating and guiding employees by communicating a clear vision and providing feedback. This function ensures team effort are aligning with company strategy while fostering a positive environment through conflict resolution and professional growth. Controlling that monitors performance against established standards by using metrics and feedbacks. Manager identify deviation and corrective actions to stay on track. This final step completes the management cycles, ensuring quality, efficiency, and the successful translation of plans into actual organization result. Coordination integrates all management functions by aligning diverse department and resources. It ensures seamless collaboration toward shared goals, eliminates redundant work, clarifies communication, and, and bridge gaps between teams. Decision making involving evaluating alternatives by weighting risk against benefits, by leveraging data, experience, and input managers. Choose actions and ensures operational stability, profitability, communication, and management. Ensure the smooth flow of instructions and feedback by using formal and informal channels. It aligns expectation, resolves conflicts, and boosts morale, strengthens professional relationship, and is essential for translating organizational goal into individual and team performance. And last, motivation and employee development, recognizing performance and providing rewards. Managers boost engagement and creativity. Investing in training and skills building ensures the workforce remains competitive and adaptable.